guys, welcome to my channel Zoom in Zoom Out. So today we are having HP printer. So we are going to unbox and set up it. Come on, let's see. It has a lot of specifications and this is the outlook of the printer. So it has an own application to control it. It is also having Apple AirPrint, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and much others. So come on, let's unbox it. Okay, we have unboxed it and in the top we are having setup guide. So this is the setup guide. We can set up with that, and this is reference and support. Okay, this is the plug, power cable. So this is our printer. Come on, let's take it out. Okay, yeah, the printer which we are having is white color and it has a very nice look. Okay, these are some button controls. So let's see more about it. So it can also be used as Xerox and also we can use as scanning. So this is HP Deskjet 2710e. So we are going to set up it. Okay, this is the final setup. Now we are having A4 papers, so we can insert them. So the tray can hold about 60 A4 sheets. Okay, we have inserted the A4 sheet. We have to lock it, and this printer uses 305 HP original ink. We have to buy both the color and black ones. So we have to install these ink cartridges and we can start using that. Okay, this is the cartridge. Now we will switch on the power. Then we have to set up it. Now we are going to print and picture. So I am using Apple AirPrint. So now it's printing. See the fast speed of the printing. This is very nice, right? Okay, I have printed and picture subscribed. Now I am going to take a Xerox of it. So I am going to take black and white Xerox. Come on, let's take. Now this is the black and white Xerox. Black and white Xerox is more faster than the color print. This is insane. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and leave a comment. Until then, it's Zoom in Zoom.